kunzima eSouth Africa. ESouth Africa kunzima. Labantu abahlala la kule ndawo are 4 families. 4 families bahlala la kule ndawo. Emfuleni sinabantu abatshontsha imali, abo Jason Mkhwane nabo Marco Hassan Marco, who are stealing money of the poor in Sidibeng. The families are 4 families. It's not only this one. There's a lot of places in Kenya's visitor like Evali Eziso. But I'm still going to visit them because it's been years these people baphila lempila bayiphilayo. But sinabantu abatshontsha imali who are driving fancy cars. Sasa bazobe ba expect amavote abantu ukuthi bavote. Sasa bazobe ba expect amavote abantu ukuthi bavote. Now labantwana babantu abaphila la abalala la kule ndawo nithini ninentshontsha ama 35 million lama hawks anga arrest labantu abalapha emfuleni sizosithathela yona emfuleni sizilungisele yona angeke sifuna ukuzwa anybody azositshela amasima. This is our country, it's our municipality. No one will tell us what to do. Even the police, even the generals of police, they won't tell us what to do because they are failing to arrest those criminals because they are eating on the one plate. But we are going to deal with them. We are not afraid of anything. This is our country. If we have to die, we will die for fixing our country. Let it be. Let it be.